हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, बात करेंगे टेलीकॉम और उससे जुड़ी कंपनियों की। एक्सेल टेलीकॉम हालांकि नाम के साथ साथ यहां पर अगर हम देखें कारोबार के लिहाज से और भी दूसरे कारोबार हैं इसके, और खास तौर पे चर्चा में है कंपनी अपने सोलर पैनल्स को लेकर के, उनके एक्सपोर्ट को लेकर के। यहां पर बाजार काफी एक्साइटेड, 5% का इजाफा आज भी सर्किट पे लगातार बना हुआ है। ये स्टॉक कंपनी के ईडी के वासुदेव राव शामिल हो रहे हैं हमारे साथ चर्चा में। मिस्टर राव, स्वागत है आपका। आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आपको जो इजाजत मिली है एक्सपोर्ट की, कौन कौन से बाजार हैं जिन पर आप नजर रखेंगे, किस तरह का साइज है, किस तरह के टारगेट्स हैं आपके?
We are currently focusing in the Europe in a big way for our exports for solar panels, and we have order book of about 240 crores at this point of time. We just got last week about 65 crores. The total pending order book for Europe is about 240 crores. We just finished about 16 crores. So the total exports we are expecting to be completed before this financial year of June 2008. We should be doing about 220 to 230 crores minimum exports in the solar division. But the overall revenue should be about 650 to 670 crores for the company.
650 to 670 करोड़ आप कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर रेवेन्यू आने की उम्मीद है
फॉर द कंपनी विच इंक्लूड्स द टेलीकॉम एंड एथेनॉल।
जी, अगर इसका ब्रेकअप भी हमें समझा दें, किस सेगमेंट से कितनी रेवेन्यू आने की आप उम्मीद कर रहे हैं?
The telecom should be doing about 350 to 375 crores, and about 100 crores is ethanol division we should be doing. About 215 to 225 is solar we should do in this year. But the significant growth in the solar will come in the next year because we have just implemented the new project. We are in the process of establishing a new SEZ unit for solar cell manufacturing unit with an investment of about 305 crores. This will be the largest plant, single location plant with 120 megawatt capacity for solar photovoltaic cell manufacturing, and 40 megawatt additional module making manufacturing capacity also we are adding in this new unit. With this new unit, we should be doing the next year very good growth in the solar. From the current year projected about 215 crores revenues in the solar to next year about 800 plus crores. So the next year will be overall about 1,300 crores, 800 plus crores coming from the solar alone out of that.
जी, यहाँ पर ये समझने की कोशिश करें, करीब 1000 करोड़ के आसपास का टारगेट होगा आपका अगले साल के लिए, जैसे कि एनालिस्ट उम्मीद कर रहे हैं।
1,300 crores is the total overall sales we are expecting next year. Out of that, 850 crores is the solar, and 350 crores will be the telecom, 100 crores will be the ethanol. So total is about 1,300 is what we are targeting for the 08-09 year.
लेकिन ग्लोबली डिमांड किस तरह की, क्योंकि काफी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां हैं मैदान में, अगर हम देखें उनके मुकाबले आपकी साइज शायद आज इतनी बड़ी नहीं है। किस तरह का कंपटीशन है और कैसे फेस कर रहे हैं इसको?
See, the competition in the solar is not that great in terms of global opportunity, because the last year 2006 the market was about $16 billion globally, and out of that only about 15 players are playing in the market. Sharp is the largest producers with about 450 megawatt, and 250 megawatt was the Q cells of Germany. What we are establishing is the last year total demand on that, the 5% we are planning for this year new capacity. So we will be a very good large player with 120 megawatt, and we don't see any issue because we are a vertical integrated player in the solar field. Currently we are, see, most of the other players, they are only just making the solar cells and supplying to other module players. Whereas we make even the modules and supply the modules as an end product at this point of time, and are planning to move in the value chain by going into the system integration, in which we will become a complete integrated player, vertical in the solar technologies. So we should not have any problem with these competitors because majority of them are only supplying as a cell individually.
जी, एक आखिरी बात जानना चाहेंगे आपसे। आपने कहा करीब 1300 करोड़ का आप टारगेट रखेंगे टॉप लाइन का FY09 के लिए, लेकिन आपकी EBITDA मार्जिन पिछले साल में करीब 7.5 के आसपास रही है। इस बार उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि शायद इंप्रूव हो जाएगी 10-11% के आसपास। आगे किस तरह नजर आएगी? अगर आप प्रॉफिट का और साथ ही अपने EPS का भी कोई टारगेट बताएं।
Yeah, see, the question is, in the case of last year majority was telecom. Telecom was about 6 to 7% EBITDA. Whereas in the energy, whether it is in ethanol or solar, it is about currently 15% EBITDA. But once we go to the next year with the cell manufacturing, the solar EBITDA with the cell manufacturing, it will be about 25 to 26%. So the following year we should be doing about net profit about anywhere between 150 to 170 crores. As against the last year net profit of about 21 crores. So we should jump significantly because the energy segment has got a very high EBITDA margins and good profitability as against the telecom, which was more technology driven, dependent on other technology providers. So our margins were lower in the telecom. That's the reason why we are more focusing on the energy segment where margins are much better. And we don't have to rely on anybody, and we will be doing the complete vertical integration projects.
जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका इस पूरी जानकारी के लिए। 50 रुपए के आसपास ईपीएस पहुंचने की उम्मीद यहां पर कंपनी कर रही है। 130 करोड़ के आसपास का मुनाफा